Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. Today I'm going to show you how you can optimize the graphics settings for the Team Fortress 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Team Fortress 2 on your device. And once you are taken into the main menu, you can click on Options at the bottom section. This will now open up the Options window, from which you can click on Video to change your graphic preferences. After choosing your resolution, click on Advanced, and now you can change the detail level. Within each of these parameters, you will see an asterisk, which is recommended for your system. You can choose the recommended option for all of these and set the anti-aliasing as well as filtering to the maximum level to begin with. After applying your settings, click on the OK button, and now you can start your game and see how your new settings play out. If you're still noticing some performance issues, you can go back into the options page, and from the advanced setting, you can try reducing the anisotropic filtering level as well as anti-aliasing by one step. Try lowering the level of detail by a single step and going back to the game to test each of these settings. Once you have found a perfect balance of quality and performance, you can save these settings and continue to play the game with your optimized settings. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to optimize the graphic settings on the Team Fortress 2 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.